Hi everyone, this is Hannah with Dana Girls Designs, and I wanted to try something. You may have already seen some videos showing the faux wax seals, and I wanted to try my hand at it. It's been a long time since I've done wax seals. When my husband and I got married about almost 9 years ago, our anniversary will be in July. For our wedding invitations, I had bought a wax seal set, and stamp. You know how you have your regular envelope that you address and stamp, and then inside that is a smaller envelope with the invitation and the registry cards. And so that little envelope is what I did the wax seal on. And I thought I still had that set, and I cannot find it. And if you're wondering if buying regular candles at the store will work, they will not. Or at least I cannot get them to work. There may be a way to get them to work by adding something else with them. And I will do some research on that. And see what to add so that these candles don't go to waste. But so I'm doing it with the hot glue gun, and we're gonna try that out. And I had picked some flowers the other day when me and the kids, we just went outside. It was a beautiful day. We're enjoying the springtime weather, and we went outside and just picked flowers. And so I had some flowers in the basket, and I just kind of let them dry a little bit. And then I wanted to put the hot glue over it, and then I was just going to try the stamping, putting the stamp down, and see how that works. So we're just trying. This is just kind of trial and error today. We're just seeing what will work and what will not. So, alright, so let's go ahead. Alright, and then let's just kind of stamp this down. We might just kind of let that cool for a little bit, and then we'll come back to that. Then this is an envelope that I made using some vintage children's, it's a book of, what's it called? I think Mother Goose rhymes. So wanted to try that. I'm kind of experimenting with some stuff as well. I'll kind of let y'all in on what what's going on in my brain. I am going to open up a store. I don't know if y'all have heard of Crate Joy, but Crate Joy is it's an interface like eBay or Etsy or Amazon where you sell things, and it's geared more for monthly subscription boxes or kits. And as you may or may not know, I do sell a ton of scrapbooking and junk journal and planner kits. And so I wanted to try to get on a deal where each month customers could receive a kit. You pay, and then on a certain date, I mail out the kit. And so that's what I'm working on. It probably won't happen until the beginning of May, I'm thinking, but I am working toward it, and I'm getting some ideas for let's see, I wanted to maybe try this little goose, see if that'll work. I don't know, because the flower's bigger than the stamp, but we'll see. So that's kind of what I'm working on. I'm working on getting the, the store up, and, and then, getting some kits or boxes put together. So, but when I do kind of get that going, I will let y'all know more of what's, when it's going to happen, what will be for sale. You have to peel it off carefully, don't you? See, this is some, just like some thin craft paper, so kind of just having to be careful with it since it is thin. You can kind of see the image a little bit. If you painted it, you could probably see. And actually, I do have some paint. I might even just get that out and just paint it. We're just kind of doing some stuff. But I also wanted to try something else before I do that. I wanted to see about, I have a stamp. It's a Tim Holtz stamp. And I wanted to see, with doing, I want to just see about putting some glue down stamp in that. Just, I don't know. Let me get another glue stick though, because it makes it go by quicker if you have an extra glue stick to put in there. Let's see here. Alright. Make sure I'm on camera. I'm bad about getting off camera, and I'm so sorry about that, y'all. I'm trying to get better at it. I really am. Okay, and then let me put this stamp down. And let's just kind of see. We're just playing with stuff. That's what's so fun about it. Is just playing and just messing around. Alright, so while this one is set, the only thing I don't like about the hot glue is all the stringy stuff. Okay, so let me see. Uh-oh. A little bit of the stamp came off. These are old stamps. A little bit of that stamp came off. Well, I think just some of the edge, not really the stamp itself. So that's good. This is a 1984 stamp with a cute little swan on it. Okay, so that actually came out really good. And then I'm going to get some paint and kind of paint that. Maybe it'll bring out the swan picture in it. Hey, I'm doing a video. Okay, let's see here. I've grabbed some paint. Just, you could use probably anything really. I'm just kind of grabbing just some different things here. Thought I would try. This is Finnabair metallic acrylic paint, and just wanted to grab a brush and just see how that's going to work out here. I want to see if by painting it, if it will, alright, let's see here. Alright, make sure I'm in camera here. I am in camera, okay. it cut the head off on the swan. Otherwise you'd be able to see, you can kind of tell of the body. Let me see if I can get it zoomed in a little. So you can kind of tell, but it cut the head off. So I was like, well, okay, alright, so, but that kind of lets you know how that is. And then, let's see here. Alright, let's pull this one off here. It seems to work really good with these kind of rubber stamps. You know, they're so much easier to work with. With these, you would probably definitely have to use the low temp heat gun or glue gun. But and then too, I mean, this is a 30-something-year-old stamp, 1984. So, all right. So let's see here. What color? We'll go with a purple. Let me see if I can wipe this off here. Okay. Alright. Can't seem to get that paint open. Maybe I can try the white. Sometimes the paint will get stuck. Well, I guess we'll just use soft satin on all of them. That one seems to get open easier. Okay. Alright. It really does bring up the image better, you know, by adding some color to it. I like that. I definitely like that. See if you can make that out and try to see, doesn't that look great? And then we'll do the, let's see here, add a little bit more paint, see if that butterfly, if we can get the butterfly to show up here. Yeah, that looks nice. It's amazing how just adding that color, it shows it up. Just really takes your, you know, your wax seal to a whole new level. It's beautiful. Let's see if I can, isn't that beautiful? So, things that you can do. You know, if you can't get the wax seal set, or you don't want to spend the money on it, get out your hot glue gun, get you some stamps. These rubber stamps seem to do better. It's just easier to pull it up. You know, I also have seen people using like glass bottles if you just want something round. I like the little stamped image on the inside, so I'll definitely be doing more of these. It's just something really neat that I'm excited about. Just a different way to do it. So hopefully that will inspire you to, you know, to get out your supplies and just kind of take a whirl at it, so to speak. And if you have any questions or comments, suggestions of what you would like to see in the next video, please feel free to comment below, or you can message me directly. I'll have all my contact information in the description box. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.